Hello, good afternoon. My name is Ladilicet Vanegas Gomez. Identification number or ID is 6355846. I am an accounting student. I am fall semester. Continues. My tourist destination is San Andres Island. This place is located in the northwest of Colombia. There are many places around you. There are beaches with Johnny Key. I travel by plan for its distance, cannot travel by air. It is a very beautiful place. San Andres has a crystal clear sea in place to dive. I can add seafood. I like the seafood casserole and the rice with coconut. I meet the island or around. I meet the aquarium, the water hole, and the beach Johnny Key. I didn't can die because I was scared. In San Andres, there are several buildings. Most are hotels, some with sea view. On the beach, Johnny Key, you can hear the sound the sea. It is waves very strong, where the breeze is also strong. On the beaches is milk of figs and to salt. I felt very happy. I had a lot of fun and enjoyed with my family, my husband, two children. I love it. Coco Loco. Have my son. It is wonderful place. I love that place. I like the color of the sea. I went a beautiful place in last December. Thank you very much and goodbye.